Right now, I'm going to show you the difference between the Eureka Powerspeed. So here is the Eureka Powerspeed NEU280, and on this side, this is the same. It's the Eureka Powerspeed. It's the NEU181A with PET tool. So essentially, they are the same vacuum with two main differences. So this one over here, the 181A, this one actually comes with this PET tool. So this PET tool is a brush that when you plug it in, you turn it on, you attach it here. It has a component that when the suction is pulling on the vacuum here, you get this little brush that spins and it makes it kind of like an agitator brush, so you can vacuum upholstery, carpet, inside of your car seats, different things like that, and the brush will help get the hair off. So that is kind of the main difference there. So as far as kind of tools and things go, that is the only difference with the tools. You still get the same three tools here. You get the upholstery brush, the dusting brush, and then the brush here that plugs into the back, which is the kind of your narrow path tool there. And then the only other difference is actually with the canister. So here on this canister, with the one that comes with the PET tool, you have this little canister inside that you twist in and you pull out, and this helps collect hair, dirt, dust, and debris, and you'll have to clean this on a regular basis. Lots of dust and stuff in there. You'll take that out and empty it out, and then you just put that back inside of your canister, and then you kind of rotate it, get it lined up, and twist it into place. It locks in, and then you can put it in. They both have this little latch here on the top of the canister that you'll open up, access the filter that you can then clean. They're both washable, replaceable. As far as they go, they're fairly identical. They have this same button here on the top to push them to release them. So here on the 280, it does have the same button here that you'll push to release, but it has this other canister inside that's a little bit different. It's a longer cylinder here, kind of the same technology. The reason they have these is to help with suction and power. So here you'll remove the filter here, but then you'll have to take this piece out, and you'll get hair, dirt, dust, and debris that'll get caught on here, and so you'll have to take that out to clean from time to time, and then it can just go back in place here. So the filters are identical. So we'll see here, I'll take this filter out on this side, and there we can see same pretty much size, build, dimension, and everything. So as far as the vacuums go, they're almost identical with kind of those few differences there. The main thing is the tools that it comes with. So if that's what's important to you, hopefully that helps you make a decision. But other than that, they've got the same exact controls. They have the on-off switches here on the back. They have the handle release here. All of those are exactly the same. Handle release there, on and off button, on and off button. They've got the same wheels. They've got the same head. Really, the only difference is what I spoke about. And then the colors. So this one's kind of got the gray handle. This one's got the blue handle. So some little color differences there. But as far as kind of the vacuum and everything else goes, they are identical. The last thing that I do want to check is the actual specs here. So I will just quickly check that. So they are both 120 volt, 60 hertz, 8 amps. So I think as far as kind of the vacuum itself goes, they are going to be the identical vacuum with the same power specs, everything else. You get the PET tool with this one, and then the canisters are a little bit different. Hopefully that helps.